guys, my name is Sabah Asif and welcome back to my channel. So before I even say anything, wishing you all a very happy Diwali to all of you celebrating it, and inspired by that, here's a makeup look. So today I kind of filmed like a dramatic Diwali makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's definitely a lot of drama going on. You can definitely tone it down. I think it turned out pretty nice, something really different and out of the box, not your typical pretty Diwali makeup look. And yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, stay tuned and keep watching, and just don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So the first step we're going to go in with is primer, and for my primer I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Undercover Invisibility Primer to hydrate my skin. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Barcelona. And now for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Golden Beige. And now to contour, I'm going to be using my favorite Maybelline foundation stick. This is the Fit Me foundation stick in the shade Coconut, I think. And I'm just going to contour more like bronze in the shade. To set the concealer in place, I'm just going to be using the Revolution powder, the Makeup Revolution powder in the shade Banana. So guys, now to bronze my skin, I'm going to be using the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer. It looks something like this. You guys probably seen this. You guys have probably seen me use this a million times. And also I'm going to be using the Milani Big Bronzer in the shade Golden. I'm going to be mixing these two and yeah, bronzing my face. Also, my skin is not at the best place right now. I have a lot of chronic dryness over here because I did have some breakouts. So, you know, putting salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, etc. has really dried out this area, and I also have something going on here. So yeah, that's why my foundation is not going to be looking the most flawless today, but you know, your girl is trying. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Mellow Wine. It's just a really pretty peach color. So I can give you guys one tip out of what situation I have going on here, is that if you have a similar dryness, or like you have acne going on here and you just don't want the product from it to move and, you know, move away the coverage, what you guys can do is apply your bronzer or your blush in tapping motion. That way the blush kind of sits on top and does not move the product around. Okay guys, moving on to our eyes, I'm going to be using some of these single Makeup Geek eyeshadows that I have here collected. I'm going to be using the shade Cocoa Bear, which is this really pretty brown shade. It's like the perfect, what do you call it, transition shade. Looks something like this. Okay, before I go into my eyeshadow, I'm just quickly going to be doing my brows and be right back. Okay guys, so I look a little bit too dramatic. But yeah, those are the eyes done. Now we're gonna quickly move on to the lips, and we also have our highlighter left. And yeah, for the lips we're gonna go kind of like nudish pink or completely nude. But I think this should be okay. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sellout. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Oh Darling highlighter by MAC, my favorite highlighter. I look so extra and dramatic and scary at the same time. I just cannot die to the fact that I look like this.